rolling through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done.
Guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to decorate the donut more and make it beautiful, make it much beautiful than the previous one. Okay, especially I am going to color the sprinkles and some other things. So let's start. So what I will do, I will decrease the length of the sprinkles. Okay, decrease the length. So what I will do, I will just simply select the icing, then it came, go to here, particle properties. Okay, then as it is, keep it there, and then here you can see hair length. I will decrease this a little bit, 3.21. okay, you can do as per your choice. Okay, you can choose the size as per your choice. Now it's okay, so okay, let me select the icing, and I want to, okay, let it be. So then I will simply go to the shading tab. You must have thinking that why had I go to the shading tab if the color is already present here. Okay, in shading there are some other features that make it easier to color the objects. Okay, so what I will do now, I came and this interface will be shown in your on the screen. So here you can see those are there, and keep it white only. The color is the base color, the original color is the base color. As you can see, the icing is brown color. So in this, to color the sprinkles, you do not have to select the icing, because if you select the icing, because if you change the color here, what it will be, the color will be changed, as you can see. But there is one way to do it. I will undo that and then select the sphere, because the sprinkles are a part of the sphere only. So click on new, and then you can see it now as usual option came. So now what you have to do, you just simply press Shift A to add an object. Shift A, you can go to converter and then select color ramp. I will search here COLOR and ramp. Okay, so then click on the section to place it. So and bring this color written before the yellow dot in the color ramp. Here you can see, wait, see that here the color, click, hold here, and then end it till the base color. Okay, so now you can see, if you increase this black, the whole color is black. But I want to make different colors, means I want to make the sprinkles multicolorly. Okay, so I am showing you a picture how the color of sprinkles. Okay, let me open. Okay, so now I will click here, sprinkles, images. can see they are multicolored, they are all multicolored, but here you can see this only chocolatey. I don't want to make it like that. Okay, want to make like those multicolored. Okay, so now what I will do, I will just close it. Then as you can see, it's only black, it's not the correct one that I am wanting to be. Okay, so what I will do, I will again press shift A to add an object, then go to input, then here object info. Okay, search here if you can, yeah, object info, drag it and place it here. Okay, so then here you can see color, bring that color into the fact. Okay, so now you can do, if you decrease this, no, I have done a mistake here. Okay, so what I will do, I will cut the color. I have to bring random. Okay, I have to bring random. I'll bring it. Then you see that some are white and some are black. As you are seeing that some are white and some are black, some are black and some are white. This and those are white. If you increase the white will be more, and if you increase the black will be more. Like these I want, like these. So if you select the color pink, okay, or mauve, any, I'm selecting pink. Okay, to keep it up to here. Yeah, and you can see it's pink. It's a mix of pink and white. So I again want a color with yellow, okay, or green, you as per your choice. I'll bring this here. Okay, then I will click this, click in the middle. Okay, click in the middle. Then what I will do, select the white, click on the white and then click. If I want blue, yellow, then it's coming yellow, as you can see. Okay, so not really yellow, I want to make it green, and yeah, green. Okay, green. And then I'll also decrease this and decrease the green here. So then I want to give the then you can see, if you click on the plus option, if you click on this plus option, another line will come. Okay, so what I will do, I will bring it here and then, okay, wait, let me select it green. Yeah, so then I will click here and then click this. So now I will choose yellow. Then you can see it's now yellow. Then I will make it more darker because the green and yellow is almost mixing, that's why I want to make it darker. Okay, so now it's done. Okay, so I want to give it one more color, means mix of 4 colors. As you can see, there are already 3 colors, and I want to give it one more color, that is blue. Okay, so what I will do, I will just simply Click plus again, drag it to here, then click on this, then click here, and then what I will do, blue, so I will decrease it, I'll increase the yellow, I'll increase the little bit the green, yes, now this, I will increase it most. Okay, so now you can see the sprinkles are already colored, multicolored, and then see it's now, so go to here, solid, and then go to the layout tab, then go to here, viewport setting, then you can see it's now sprinkles are colored. Here are the sprinkles, as you can see. So sprinkles are looking much beautiful. Okay, so what I will do now, I will just rename it from my choice. If you do not want to rename, leave it. Okay, I want to rename it. I want to give it sprinkles. Okay, I made a mistake. Sprinkles. So now if you can see the sprinkles, you can see that all are the same shape that the sphere contains. Okay, and all sprinkles are mostly irregular in shape, not regular. So I want to slant and all, and I do not want to beat a straight line. Okay, so what I will do now, okay, so let me see, select the icing, and if I want to keep it 200, it is looking beautiful or not. 2000, sorry. You can keep, it's looking, you can keep, but I will keep it from my choice. I will keep it 1200 only. 1200 I will keep it. Okay, let me write because it's taking time. Okay, 1200, sorry. Yes, now it already came back. So now what I will do, I will make it irregular in shape. This pair I will make it irregular in shape. This pair, okay. So what I will do, I will simply select it and then go to the edit mode, then go to wireframe mode, then you can what I will do, I will simply select the object. Okay, select all. Okay, so select it, and then I will press Ctrl plus R, and then you can see a yellow line appears. Okay, so I will place it. Okay, here or here I will place it. I'm placing it here. Then maintain the size according to you. I'll keep it in the middle. Okay, so I'll keep it in the middle. Then what I will do, I will simply press G, means to grab. You can also press from here. Okay, from here, move and then move. Okay, I am pressing G, then move to the right. Okay, so then go to the object mode, disable the wireframe mode, go to the solid, and then you can see the sprinkles are not in straight. Okay, they are just in the shape that I made, that I changed. Okay, now it is looking much beautiful than the previous. Now it is looking much beautiful. So I will again edit. I'll move it slightly here. Yeah, now it's okay. Go to the object mode, disable the arrow, go to the solid, then yeah, now it's okay. So go to here for seeing the colors and all. Now you can see the multicolors are there and all. The colors that I gave are present here, sprinkles. So guys, I'm finishing the video here. So please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for more videos. So I will try to post the next video soon. So guys, meet you again in the next video.